All right, well, all the wires are hooked up. Got the plug right here. Let me go on the other side. Get to the outlet. Might have to pull the game closer. Yep. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Power plugged in. Like I said, when I bought it, it was a working game. See what happens. Alright. That's because there's no batteries in there. Alright, that's because oh, there we go. I hope I didn't mess up the displays. Something. Where'd my flashlight go? Is that's pin? All right, that's pin 1. Yeah, I was right. I hate these damn ribbon cables. Really don't. All right. Factory settings. Yeah, I know that. Come on. Where the heck's the button? Ah. Come on. Damn older games. Well, it knows it's a game. Now I have to find the damn credit button. Oh, look at that. See? It's crediting up. Well, there's the. Did you see that? Hopefully you guys saw that. The light up top was blinking. Now probably not gonna. Yeah, no balls. Oh, my game has no balls. But there you go. It's back alive. It's alive. Yeah, sweet. So Now, we got, sweet, all looks, yep, my GI is working. Okay, so here we go. Let's move this stuff off while we're recording still, and maybe y'all can see what the play field looks like with a, well, it's just a play field with some LEDs on it. Just try and get some of this junk. Don't you hate it? You put a game back together and you got spare parts. Just 4 screws. But still, 4 more screws than what I started with. Plenty of pictures. Crap. That's all it is crap. Oof. Oh man. Thing just died? Oh no, it's not. Just not showing me a preview. I gotta fix that bulb right there, but there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna put these LEDs in. It's gonna look nice. It's back alive.